Are you looking to create a simple landing page for one of your offers? Well, let me show you how to do this in less than 10 minutes. Let's dive in. Welcome back, friends and purpose partners. Brandy Thomas here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a really simple landing page for any of your offers inside of Scalability. So once you're logged into the platform, the first thing that you're going to do is just come down over to Sites in your menu dashboard. Once you do that, it's going to open up all your different site options. So you see we have funnels, websites, you can do a store, analytics, blog, WordPress, you can have a client portal, your forms, surveys, chat widget, QR codes, URL redirects. So under sites, this is where all of these different tools are going to be stored. What you're going to want to do for a landing page, though, is to utilize the funnel and select new funnel. Now, one of the amazing things that Scalability has, they have over 1,000 different templates. So if you're tech savvy, build it from blank, you know what you want, you got the design down, easy peasy, just do that. If you're not as tech savvy, then I would definitely encourage you to choose the templates. So there are thousands of templates in here. You can share them, you can create your own template too, but essentially you can just choose, right now it's selected to the most popular. You can choose anything from maybe real estate, you can do skincare, you can do coaching. A lot of the clients I work with are coaches, so let's look into some of the coaching options for a landing page. Maybe you want to have a different coaching plan. Maybe you have an event that's your offer. Maybe you're wanting to get people to download a free resource that will lead them into your coaching program. So just really pick which one you feels like your brand. Again, you can have your brand all set up and pick and choose from there. So let's look at this for a minute. So I would let's do the life coaching booking, because a lot of times you want to get them on a free discovery call, right? So let's check this one out. Pick your template. So honestly, it's going to probably take you longer just to pick a template that you like, because there's so many options. So try not to get overwhelmed and bombarded by the different templates. Just go with a theme that, works for you, and you can update the colors and the pictures in this next step. Okay, so Scalability is going to load the template for you, and then it's really up to you. This is where the fun part comes in. This is where you can go in and you can change your brand colors. You can come in and change your fonts. You can add the pictures. You'll write the copy. So that's really where you get to have all of the control at this stage, where you can update and make it work for you. All right, so the template has loaded. So here you can see the baseline template. You can update the menu header if you want to change out your logo, and everything's here. So you can just hit the settings. It's going to open up the settings section over here. And so you can change the different menu items that you want. So if you want to edit them or delete them, you can do that. You can edit the colors. So, if it's going to be bold, do you want it to be a different color? Do you want it to all be black? Do you want it when it's in italic? Do you want the text font to change colors? So that's what these are giving you the ability to change the different, if you have different font types, will that color change? Do you want the color to change? What do you want your link color to look like? So that's what that's doing. And then if you scroll down, you have your logo. So this is where you can click here and switch out your logo. So if you don't want anything uploaded, then you'll be asked to do a new upload, and then you can add that there. So scrolling down, same concept. If you don't want this picture, you can come here to the BG Media section, switch out the picture, upload it, have AI create you a new picture, and go from there. You can switch out the text. You can change the different fonts if you want. So you can see, like, I have, there's another section under marketing where you can actually create your own brand board and your colors. So it's already set everything up to the Garamond for me, but you can definitely change it to anything. And if you can't find a font, just Google it, and for the most part, if Google has it, it's gonna bring that up. Now, if you have fancy fonts, it may not pull up. I know I think I'm spelling this one wrong, but there's a C one that I use. Is it Simple? Simple? Anyway, you can go look at different fonts. You can change out your button. So again, you click the button, come over here to text, change that out to book here. You can have a step for the button. Do you want the step to go to maybe your link? So Scalability has a whole calendar section set up, so you don't need a system like Scalability, but if you had Scalability already set up and you haven't had the time to set this up, you can link to that. So you can link to another website. You can have it go to a next step. You could link it to a call or a membership. So for this one, for this example, we're booking the call, right? So you would have it linked to your scheduler link. And then you would just come down here to the different sections, change out the copy, add the pictures if you want. Again, you're just clicking into each section and editing each section. If you need to delete a section, you can do that as well by just clicking the delete section. So you just work your way through the template. And if you have testimonials, this is a great place to put testimonials. If you have different booking options, maybe you want like 15-minute discovery call, or you're trying to lead them to a requirement call, whatever this is, you can make that work for you. And then you have your footer section down here. So this is a really simple page. You don't even need a 2-page for a booking page, because if you're just trying to get somebody to land on your landing page and book a call with you, then you would just automatically take them to your booking site and let that be the next step. If you need a next step, you can add a whole nother page, but it's really probably not necessary for this one. You might want to use a different template. Like if you're trying to, you can have a thank you page if you want, but again, a lot of times it's not necessary as long as they're getting some sort of confirmation from your booking. I also want to highlight here, like click save, make sure you're hitting save often. Save and save often. Learned that a lot in my IT classes in college. If you need to add an element, maybe you want an extra button, maybe you need a different headline or a paragraph, you can just select this add element plus sign. And this is where you can add different sections, templates. You can have pre-built sections. So if you need testimonials, those are in here for you. If you need to add a new row and then add a button or a picture or a video, all of these are here in this section. If you work through, these are just showing you the different layers you have, the different sections. If you have multiple pages, you can show that here. So you could turn one of these pages into like a second thank you page if you want. If you have tracking code, you can place that in this section. This one is for custom CSS. If you want to have specific font set up for you, you can change that here so it'll automatically update all of the font versus headline or the content. And then if you have your brand colors, you can also set that up here. Backgrounds, if you want different background images. So if you want the entire background to be black, you can go ahead and change that here too. So it just sets that up for you. If you want SEO metadata, this is where you can go and do that. You can have custom codes, your cookie consents, and all of that's there for you to update. So again, you'll want to hit save. And then when you're ready to publish this, you will need to connect to your domain. And so that's in a whole nother section. I do have a training on that as well. But you can, if you haven't connected your domain, then you can do that. You can have subdomains. And you can have as many subdomains as you want. Those would be free for you through here. So again, really simple way to set up a landing page for you for your free offer and get you into action. So I hope this was helpful. Drop in the comments if you have any questions or what additional training you would like to see. Thank you.